Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips Trick Part 2 of this. If you didn't watch Part 1, it's pretty interesting. I stated in there that I wish I'd made this dome a little more rounded. Then while the other video was loading, I started thinking, it's a clone, so I could do it right now. So if we take, I'm going to get rid of that node, and we got right here, it's a clone, so we can make it arch. And you could, do whatever you want to with it. That might be a little bit overkill. I don't think you could probably bring this down because then you're going to mess with the other color. And then you could still, change your interactive fill tool. You could make that less, you could double click right there and put another red. And just make that shadow a little bit, or not shadow, and then you could actually angle that effect and see how it's doing all of the ones on the clone. That's too much. We could add maybe a little bit of gray to that and just have, it's still too much. It's still kind of, let's try it, just see what happens. Wow, that's a pretty cool effect, but you wouldn't want that. To use the elliptical. And I'm guessing if you put the red closer, sometimes the transparency tool gets in the way. You have to kind of go off and come back. It's too much of a solid line. I think if we do that, it even gets worse. So let's try getting away from that. Anyway, just gives a little bit of sparkle, but look at the difference with the rounded cap versus the square. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.